Good morning. It's Wednesday.
Good morning again.
Here's my buddy. Wednesday morning, we are on our way to my first session of PT. I'm waiting for my Uber ride. Yep, and here's my
I'm not
buddy.
doing okay too.
Ah, are you my nurse today?
Yeah.
Oh, give me a hug.
We like hanging out too.
Very good, my baby. Eh? She helped me with my buttons. We have to do it twice because it was mismatched. But we have to do it twice. I'm waiting for my Uber ride. And so far the pain today is okay. It just feels tired. My muscles just feels tired. But hopefully the therapy will give me techniques and how to do things. And I would have better movement. Yep, so, okay, I'm waiting for my Uber ride. I'll keep updating throughout the day.
From there.
Oh, and pardon the noise because there is some construction that's been going on in our neighborhood here for the last 3 or 4 weeks already. I'm gonna turn around and let you see that's the big truck that's somewhat doing some, I don't know what they're doing. They're hooked up to the fire hydrant at the corner. So, yeah. So, yep, still waiting for my Uber ride. Mga 3 minutes na lang yata. Okay. Anyway. Right. 20 minutes early.
Oh, hang a little bit lower when they bring it up, but you can do it this way.
Like just to let it hang, like.
Good job, and I'm gonna time you, okay? Good job. That's excellent. A bit more. Good, and then come back up again.
Feels good. Just like, honey,
You're fine.
I'm trying to think about how I'm gonna do this.
Good. Arm is at 45 degrees. She's sliding out to the side. 45 degrees. Yeah, that's perfect enough. It's hard the first day to do the true 40. No, you just go up and down. Yes. Yes.
Now got her flu shot, but we're gonna start walking to the lane up there, so we're just gonna go back and forth. Oh no, the last time you got the flu shot from your arm, remember? Remember that too? I missed that second floor. Remember you told me to wait in the waiting area? Over there, don't tell us.
So I'm back home from my first session of therapy, physical therapy. It went well. I thought I was going to be in some excruciating pain, but no, it was very good. I feel some pull and stretches, a very good one, just the right tension, and actually felt good because I was able to stretch, you know, because I've been in this position for like a week. And one good thing that the therapist told me, the PT, is that I can, if I am sitting down, just doing nothing, watching TV or resting, I can actually get my arm out of the sling and just put him on a pillow, supported by a pillow, and I could do gentle motion, passive motion, exercises like that to my elbow, to my wrist, you know, and this is what I'm doing. And I could also let it hang. She gave me some exercises, and I'm gonna do them. And seriously, just doing a few repetitions from today within the hour. The 1 hour session that I had, she showed me maybe 10, phase 1 exercises, passive exercises that I can do for this. It already felt good. Was able to loosen up because I feel like my muscles and all that are cramping already because I'm always like this, and then this thing is so big that I feel like it's not supporting me. It's too low. I can't even, I should be like, I should be feeling like supported, but I don't feel like I'm supported. Isn't that weird? Because it feels like it's too low, it's too wide. See this? And so I feel a pull, especially back here. I don't have this. Needs to be adjusted or something, but I didn't. I might have to have it adjusted again next. But this is it. My very fashionable abductor sling, like that. So she also checked my incisions and all those arthroscopic sites where they put the skull, and they all look good. My weird incision here that I was talking about, where it looks like it's not approximated. I think it's because there's a lot of, it looks like that normally because there's a lot of loose skin, in this area at my age. So normally they look like that. She said it looks okay. There's no infection or anything like that. And the burning feeling, I think it's just because of the incision, she said, because she checked the line and all that, and it all checked out. It's all good. I'm gonna have physical therapy for 6 weeks, twice a week session. But of course, all of that depends, the success of it depends on really how much I do on my own, because those are just 1 hour session, so 2 hours in a week. So the rest will be really dependent on the patient, me, and I will do it. I have nothing else to do. That's why I took off, so that I can concentrate on doing this and just really concentrate on this, nothing else. Hopefully I could drive soon. She said a lot of people do it. They just kind of take this off and just drive with the right hand. I think I will wait until I see Dr. Friedman on Tuesday next week on my first post-op appointment. And I'm sure she will say, yeah, I can drive, just take it easy. And I will not drive like in the highway, like, just related to necessities, maybe church, the therapy, the appointment, and just nearby, and probably, stay away from during the rush hour where there's a lot of traffic and all that. So the exercises that was given to me today she said that it's really not gonna hurt me if I do it too early, because they're just gentle. All of those are safe in any shoulder surgery. So the good thing about it is I'm able to kind of stretch my arm and just let it hang a little bit, do a little bit of motion to it, because my arm, if I'm walking around, she said, if I'm getting up walking around, then I have to put them on during nighttime when I sleep. But if I'm just sitting and I'm just, I can just prop him on a pillow, which is so good. Anyway, okay, bye for now.